There we go, stir-fried beef and cashews. A little bit of green onion. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, beef and cashew nuts. A quick Chinese, really quick, get it on the table in about 25 minutes. Really easy. Stick your rice on, eat with chips, anything like that. Everybody makes chicken and cashew nuts. We're making beef and cashew nuts. This is a little piece of top side. And we can see the grain running that way, so we are going to cut across it. However, we need to prep some veg first. Our veggie for this, we got some onion. And everything with this today is chunks. Okay, we want chunks in here. Okay, and we were just going to pull those segments apart in a minute. Let's just chunk it like that. As you can see, we've got these fabulous chunks in there. Okay, help it along the way. Just take the time to do this. Just pull it apart nice and steady. You don't have to be so perfect if they don't come apart. They will when you stir fry, but you know it's going to be easier on our stir fry if this is already done. Okay, I've got a pepper. Again, we want chunks, and as you can see, it's not the best, but it is absolutely perfect for this dish. So again, it is chunks. There you go, you got onion and green pepper. I've got a couple of chilies here. Now these chilies are not for heat. These chilies are for colour. So what we're going to do is slice them like that. Now you can take out the seeds if you so wish. It's just nice to have that fleck of red in there, you know. I mean, you could put a little bit of red bell pepper in. You could even use tomato, couldn't you? Come on. So we've got that going on. Right, our beef then. We need to slice this up because this is going to be marinated. Now this thing is quite long, look, quite thick. We're going to come in there and then we're going to carry on with this. As you can see, the grain goes that way, look. Can you see if I turn it that way? I don't know which camera picks it up. But it goes that way, so we come across the grain, okay? Nice and steady. Now, what we're going to do is cut it on an angle like this. Okay, we're going to slice on an angle. You don't have to. You could cut straight down. So we've got two jobs to do. We want a little bit of a marinade on this beef, okay, and it is very straightforward marinade, and we're going to put a sauce together. Okay, so this is light soy sauce. Now we want some corn flour or corn starch or potato starch. Up to you. I'm opting for the corn flour, corn starch. No particular reason, it's just that I've got it in my hand. And we want about a tablespoon in there. I'll probably mix and match now I've done that. I'll probably use the potato starch slurry. Want a little bit of oil, about a teaspoon or so in there. And we want some water, a couple of teaspoons. That will do it. And then we're going to give that a mix. It doesn't require anything else. Okay, come on, in there. This will absorb this fluid. We don't have to worry about that. It's going to be a nice sticky beef, and we're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. No more. And yes, there is no baking soda in this. Okay, that's it, one side. Okay, we want to make a sauce. Get a bowl. We're going to mix it all and then we just chuck it all in, eh? Come on. You want about a tablespoon of shoestring, a tablespoon of light soy, oyster sauce, sugar, want some water, a little shake of white pepper, And we're going to make a cornstarch slurry up separately, or a potato starch slurry. We'll use about a teaspoon of potato starch to 1 tablespoon of water. We want a thick slurry for this one. That's our sauce there, one side. So there you go, potato starch in there and a little bit of water. That's it. We'll have to give it a stir before we add it to our dish. So we want to bring in a pan. You either dry roast or you fry. A little bit of oil for me in there. And we've put a little bit of colour on there because these are raw cashew nuts. Okay. A nice tinge on there. Don't burn them. That's it. Out. A little bit of oil in there. This is peanut oil, but it doesn't matter what oil. Okay. In there with a little bit of garlic and ginger. In there, your beef. Spread it out in the pan. It's a little singe and tinge on this beef, and then it comes out. Now what you could do, I started this off with garlic and ginger, but you know, for some people they might prefer to cook the beef, take it out, then put the garlic and ginger in. But I like that flavour on the beef, but it's up to you. And you can see all this on here. This is the corn flour and the beef juices, the water in the beef. It's only about 3 minutes on there, no more. Okay, we don't want to overcook it, do we? That'll do for me, that's coming out. That beef is out. Come on. Now I am going to give that a wipe out. It's always nice to start from fresh. There you go. Nice and steady, in there with some oil. So if you're doing it the other way around, you will put your garlic and ginger in now. Onions, pepper. Stir fried but no colour as such. If you get a little tinge, that doesn't matter. All we're trying to do is soften it up. We want crunch. There's some lovely chunky veg there, look. Now it's only about a minute and a half on this. Back in there with that beef and any juices. In there, cashews. In there, that lovely sauce we've made. Oh, what a smell. Oh, yes, please. Oh, what a smell. Oh, that looks absolutely sensational. It smells marvellous. A little bit of that potato starch or cornstarch slurry. And let's get that, a glossy sauce on there. That will do. Some green onion, that chilli for colour, a little drizzle of sesame oil, Just give it that Chinesey flavour. A little shake of white pepper. That's it. Serve up. Come on. On there. There you go, beef and cashew nuts. A little bit of green onion. There we go, stir-fried beef and cashews. Better than a takeaway, is it? I'm not sure. Come on. We're in on the beef. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, that is delicious. Our vegetables. Okay, we know they're going to have crunch, don't we? There you go. There you go, that is a really easy stir fry. This beef is exceptional. Oh, anybody can chew that. Really, really delicious, easy one to make right there. Share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make beef and cashew nuts. Absolutely love it. Nice and simple. Now, obviously you don't have to put the chilies in at all if you don't want that colour in there. So if we just take those out of there, that's what you're going to get. Okay, you're going to get beef, onions and cashews and your green peppers. Save some money at the takeaway. Enjoy at home. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. I'm going to have to pinch a couple more of these before we serve it up. Oh yeah. Amazing. We'll catch you in the next video.